Welcome back.
Let's start with the measurements of the spinach. The spinach, I am using half of the bundle because we sell them by the bundle, so I'm just using half of that, and I am going ahead by infusing my oil with a hot pepper and garlic, and once it is infused enough to my satisfaction, I am going to add my onions and pimento. Once my onions has become translucent, I am going to then add my spinach. As I said, I use half of the bundle of the spinach. I am going to use 1 to 1.5 cup of coconut milk. It all depends on how creamy you want your spinach. And once this has cooked, I am going to place it into my blender or food processor, and I am going to puree this. My reason for pureeing this is because I really want to eat it, and if I don't puree this, I won't be able to swallow it because I cannot swallow solids. So I really wanted to enjoy this, so I decided to blend it. And I had that for breakfast. You could also have it on a toast as well. Healthy breakfast idea.